Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be styling. It's about styling, and your girl is back to getting into her styling bag. I did a lot of hauls last year, and my goal this year is to take more pictures in my clothes and do more styling videos because I feel like I have impeccable style. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be styling some camo pants, and I have two. One is from Pretty Little Thing, and it's more of a pencil leg, and then this one is from Shein, and it's more of a wide leg. And I feel like camo pants is a staple, especially where fashion is concerned. I feel like this is one of the trends that go in and out of style all the time, especially where fall and winter is concerned. I feel like you can't go wrong with a good pair of camo pants. And if it's not in trend this season, I'm telling you it's going to be trend next season or the season after that, because that's just how camo is. I feel like it's a staple for fall, winter, and we're going to be styling them today. The first way I'm going to style them is super duper easy that any and everyone can do. A lot of people believe like because it's camo and because the print is so out there, a lot of the times it's hard for them to style the item, but it's truly not. Just make sure that your camo pants fit properly. And the first thing I would style it with a bodysuit. You can never go wrong with a basic, especially a basic in like white or black or beige with camo. I feel like it's going to look great. So start off with a bodysuit, especially in a cut that you love. This is actually like my favorite cut where bodysuits are concerned. High neckline, short sleeve, because I can also layer something else over it if I'm cold or if I just want a more accessorized look. So definitely bodysuit. You can't go wrong with a neutral bodysuit. The next thing is a nice corset. So this corset is made from like a polyester mixed with cotton, stretchy material, but it's still going to suck you in. It's still going to give you sex appeal, but you're going to be comfortable. Sometimes corsets can be uncomfortable, especially if they have strong boning in them, but this have boning in it, but it's not as strong and stiff. So this giving you sex, giving you hot, giving you flirty, and with like a cargo pants, with like the camo pants I should say, which is more street and edgy, is going to look absolutely amazing together. Take it from me, amazing. And you guys know I'm gonna insert clips of me actually styling it, probably over here. So the next thing you can do is just get a regular shirt. This shirt is from Label 42. I've had this shirt for a while. This is from Kitty Cake brand, which she no longer does. Kind of sad about it because she had some really nice pieces. And I got this shirt. It has some padding at the top, which I like. It's giving me a little bit more than a regular shirt would give me, and this is kind of like a muscle tee cut. So get a regular shirt, especially in the same color family as the camo pants that you're wearing. It don't have to be an exact match, guys. Matchy thing, not in our style. Okay, just get a green that's in the same color family as the camo pants that you're wearing, and you will be a-okay. And these styling tips are just for my simple girls that do not know where to start with styling a camo pants. So I'm giving you simple, easy things that are attainable, that are probably in your wardrobe already. this segment is for the fashion girls, the girls that are not really like afraid to step out there and do color and do mixed prints and willing to try something new, because that's where I'm at in my fashion journey. I'm all for trying something new, something creative, innovative out there that's gonna get you looks and stares. So that's what this segment is about. So the first thing, you can get a really loud top. So orange, red are like my go-to colors for loud tops, and just a nice loud top. This is one of my favorite tops. This is also from Shein. Absolutely love this top. The cut, the shape, everything looks absolutely amazing. This with some orange bag and like a black shoes is going to look amazing. Then this is for my fashion girlies that like are not afraid of stairs, are not afraid of mixing print, are not afraid to look crazy or people just look at you weird because your outfit is out there. A pattern shirt, pattern crop top I should say. So zebra is my favorite. You can do zebra, cheetah, leopard. I love zebra because I feel like zebra print is like a great contrasting pattern, especially for camo, and I will show you guys them on so you can see that I'm not joking when I say I love zebra print, especially black and white zebra print, because I feel like it can mix and go with so much things, and I feel like it looks amazing with camo. And if you're still that girl but you love mixing of print, you love all that it has to offer, but you're just not a crop top girly and you want to do the same thing, get you a nice zebra print, leopard print, or something kind of a neutral print, and that's in a button up, and you are going to be good to go. Absolutely love this shirt. This shirt is also from Shein. I love getting a lot of basics from Shein. I don't care what anyone has to say. And as you guys can see, my pieces last long because I've had these pieces for almost a year. Next thing is a nice button-down dress. Okay, so this is a maxi dress, and this is also from Shein, and this is in a nice contrasting pink color. You're going to stand out, you're going to get looks, especially with this maxi dress. So I would wear this more of a cardigan. So I would button it all the way down to where my pants are, then I would leave those buttons from belly or navel to ankle unbuttoned, and you are going to look amazing. If you live in a cold climate and you do this, especially if your maxi dress is like a long sleeve, you're going to be warm, you're going to be good, you don't have anything to worry about as far as that is concerned. So using like your maxi button down dress as a top, especially in a bright color, is really going to set it off. And like I said, I like using bright colors with camo, like pink, orange, or red. Those are kind of like my go-to colors for camo. And you can't go wrong with green because it's in the family. And I'm probably gonna mention this top all the time. If you guys, I got this at I got this set. This is a Hanifa set. I got this set from Hanifa at the end of the year. And I'm gonna be wearing this out, okay? I'm gonna repeat in clothes. I'm a clothes repeater. This is a cardigan. If you do not want to do the maxi dress look, you can do a nice bright color cardigan and you're going to look amazing, kind of giving you like that Jacquemus. You know how Jacquemus have those cardigans that everyone likes to wear, it's gonna give that in a nice bright color. And as you guys can see, your girl have been loving pink. So that is my video on how to style camo pants. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me which one of these styling option is your favorite, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.